Today we're going to walk around the Sule Pagoda. Today's video is sponsored by Myanmar Bus Ticket. If you are in Myanmar and having a hard time to buy a bus ticket, an email can solve your problem. So just send an email to us with your information and you will get your e-ticket. And also if you want more than a bus ticket, and you can also buy flight tickets and other services like car rentals and hotels and even travel insurance. So the link is in the description and also the discount promo code. If you walk around Sule Pagoda, you will see lots of little shops like this, and this is the phone shop. This is where you can fix your phone when you are in Yangon and you have a problem with your phone. And not only the phones, they also can fix your watches and clocks. Across the road is a very special building, and it is called the Old Tourist Building. It is kind of a miracle that it is standing still as just 3 years ago, and it has no roof and has been left and occupied for 10 years already. But as you can see, it has been beautifully restored by the Burmese social enterprise called DOE. The building dates back to 1905. It was originally a fancy department store here in Yangon. Then it becomes the headquarters of an art journal. After this, the building was a tourist headquarters. After our capital city was moved to Naypyidaw, the building was left to decay for 10 years. Now it has restored and we are very proud of it. So if you're in Yangon, you will often see these kind of little nuns who is walking around and asking some money for donation. In here, a moment ago, the man was fixing the watches and the clocks. So this is the Sule Pagoda, one of Yangon's most famous buildings. When the British architect called Fraser designed the downtown area of Yangon, he made this Sule Pagoda as its center. The original building is more than 2,600 years old, but the present one was built in 1818. In Yangon, we have 3 important buildings from Buddhism and Islam and Christianity side to side. So here is the man who is fixing a watch. So I'm gonna ask him what kind of watches can he fix. So he fixed different kinds of watches like digital watch and an old watch and also alarm clock. It only takes him 30 minutes to 1 hour to fix a watch. So if you want a passport photo, this is where you have to come. Now I am inside of the shop. This is where you can fix your glasses and take your passport photo, and also they have paperwork such as copying and laminating. In the back here, they also do eye test, so you can come here and test your eyes and make a glass. So this is the shop that they make the name tag. So here you can see many beautiful name tags. So one name tag with a pin will cost you 1,500 jets, which is about $1. And a name tag with the magnets will cost you 2,000 jets. In the distance, you can see the Immanuel Baptist Church. It was founded in 1885 by an American missionary. Sadly, the building was destroyed during the World War II, but the Burmese people rebuilt it again in 1952. Today, this is a popular place of worship for Christian people in Yangon and also the tourists. Behind me is the City Hall. It is a very special building as it was designed by a Burmese architect named U Jin Ju in the British colonial times. As you can see, he combined the best of Burmese with British architectures, and it took 10 years for him to build this place, and they started the building in 1926 and finished it in 1936. So as a foreigner, if you want to go inside the pagoda, you have to pay 5,000 jets. And 5,000 jets is about $3. So this lady is making paper umbrellas to worship the pagoda. So one of the things you will find a lot when you walk here around Sule Pagoda is astrologists and fortune tellers. So now I'm gonna see an astrologist and find out what my future looks like.
Tiaga at Lanyon, 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 machine ali shilo, but what my senior Siam Yame. Yan Yandui, Bodabujo, Argon network, Yan Yandui, 3 common loans or Argon, Jadavi Jogo, Bebeka Po, Argon, Pina, Padamia, a twin Taka, RG, Yabeka Jadavi Jogo, Ninge, Thing at Raja. You allow to lean you to a me, just saying with say a me, a saying on Yanadu Wallakawa. Yes, sometimes saying on Joe be the just saying will let my way away. Besides, my sound is a sound, I love you, a sound about you,
basically, he says my love life is a little bit complicated, so that's why I have to. I have some confusion about that, and also for the what is that education? He said I need to try harder, and sometimes sometimes I need to try harder. He said I'm not very good at tardiness, and also he said about my work, and during 2017 to 2027 I will have a bit of complicated situations, but after 2027 he said I'll succeed. I'm sorry. On the other side of the street, you can see the Sunni Jama Bengali Mosque. This is one of the oldest and most popular mosques in Yangon. It dates back to the 19th century and was built by the immigrants from Bangladesh. And today many Muslims in Yangon come here to pray, and we have large buildings from all religions here in Yangon, and each religion worships in peace. So if you like this video about walking around Sule Pagoda, you might probably want to check this out too, and also this one.